In this video, we're going to talk about the steps when you're about to renew your mortgage. My name is Danny Saikaley. I've been a mortgage broker for over 2 decades. I've helped over tens of thousands of people in Canada. So your renewal is coming up. This is what you should expect. You're going to get a letter in the mail. It's going to be a renewal offer. And this is what it should say. It should give you a new term. It should give you your current mortgage amount. It should give you if it's insured or not insured. It should give you the end date or the maturing date. In this letter or this renewal document, it's going to ask you if you want to renew, please initial and sign here and send it back. I'm going to tell you, do not sign or initial that right away. You should first contact your mortgage broker. The reason is because banks or lenders usually make a lot more money off the renewals. They have a percentage that they hope that you just sign the renewal document. Those renewal documents are not their best rates just to start. So that's what they're hoping for. A mortgage broker does not get paid if you get the better rate. They get paid based on the amount you're borrowing. So they don't want you to have the higher rate because it doesn't benefit them at all. They want to just give you that mortgage, especially when it comes to renewal from an A lender. When you're ready, you get your renewal document. Make sure you scan it or copy it and send it to your mortgage broker. The information on the renewal is crucial because it will tell the mortgage broker the exact amount of money that's owed. It will tell the mortgage broker the maturity date. It will give them the current lender. In most cases, it should say if it's insured or not insured. It will give the address of the property. So this information is very crucial so they also know if that's a good rate or not right away. In most cases, it won't be and they'll give you a better rate, or they can just tell you over the phone like, oh, we have this rate with this lender and we can move you over. Then you're going to have to update your profile or fill out a new application depending if it's your current mortgage broker or not, and then update with information. Of course, in the last 5 years, your life has changed. Maybe your family has grown or your salary has changed or whatever. You have to update it with more information and assets. So the approval process is pretty easy. It's much easier than your first call your home because in most cases, there's no appraisal needed. Of course not, because it's just a renewal. It's just switching. You're not getting any new money out. It's going to follow the same amortization that you currently have. So you will not need an appraisal. You'll need your property tax bill, your insurance certificate on the home. You'll still need that stuff, but you will not need a new appraisal, an updated appraisal if you're just switching from one mortgage company to the other mortgage company for your benefit to save you money. Never switch lender on a renewal if you're not going to save yourself money. Obviously, that's common sense. Don't do that. Banks can have promotions, just like cell phone companies or the telecommunication companies. If you sign up for a 3-year, they'll give you an iPhone, let's say. Well, banks are sort of like that. If you sign up with a new lender and you get a new 5-year, there's promotions with it. So they're usually like, oh, sign up now in the next month or two, the next 90 days or 60 days, there's promotions. They give you a better rate just to sign you up, to win you as a new client. So just remember that. Sticking with the same bank is not usually the most beneficial thing they can do, especially with your mortgage. After the approval is done, after you sign off and you're very happy with your new mortgage, it's all done internally. So internally and behind the scenes, the banks are communicating with each other to pay each other out. Sometimes it depends how late or close to maturity you've applied. You should contact your current lender and tell them to keep it into an open for maybe it might miss a couple of days, because some lenders don't automatically have it in an open and they automatically renew you, for example, 6 more months. There's one of the big banks that do that and it bothers a lot of the other lenders because then we have to wait 6 more months again. So don't do that. Most of the time it benefits you to shop around, especially for your mortgage. Your payments continue, but now it's a new lender. Just like your insurance company can switch too. Like if you're an insurance broker, it switches. It goes from like intact. It goes from one lender to another lender that you don't see, or one insurance company to another insurance company. They still take the payments out of your credit card every month at the same date. They handle all that. Obviously on your renewal, you can choose to switch your payment schedule. So you can switch it from monthly to bi-weekly if you want, but it just follows your amortization, which is the mortgage amount divided by how many years. So your amortization schedule is still going to be followed. Your payments will still continue as normal. You will have to provide a void check or a pre-authorized debit form or your bank information to the new lender so they know where to withdraw the funds from or your monthly payment from. These are the steps you need to take before you renew your mortgage. Again, do not sign the renewal document when you get it. Contact a mortgage broker right away. If you have any questions regarding mortgages, any renewals in Canada, my contact information is below. I've been doing this for over 2 decades. I can help you get the best mortgage rates on your renewal. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.